Welcome! In this Analysis for Excel quick tip video, we'll take a look at searching for characteristics in Analysis for Excel. For more background on the Analysis for Excel tool, please visit our help files website. Finding a characteristic you are looking for in the Analysis display menu can be difficult if the list is long. The search bar can help you find the one you are looking for faster. Just start typing the wanted characteristic's name and you'll start seeing suggestions. When you see the one you need, click it and it will be highlighted in yellow. Furthermore, the search does not only search for the free characteristics, but also their attributes. For example, name is not a free characteristic in this report, but it is an attribute of fund owner. If you type in name and select it, the attribute comes up under fund owner. In a case like funds center that is both a characteristic and an attribute of a fund, when selected, both options become highlighted. Another convenient search is on the prompt screen. For a report that has a lot of variables, it can be easier to start writing the variable name in the search bar than try to look for it with scrolling. Thank you for watching this episode of BI Quick Tips series. You can find all the BI Quick Tips videos on the Help Files website. Until next time!